Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure your Apple ID is set to the United States because Apple Cash is region locked. Next, obtain a U.S. billing address and phone number to register in settings. This is mandatory for verification. Then secure a U.S.-issued payment method that supports Apple Cash transfers, such as a debit card or compatible prepaid card. Once done, sign into iCloud and the App Store with that U.S. Apple ID so the Wallet app can display Apple Cash options and verification prompts. Now, open Wallet and tap Apple Cash to run identity verification. You'll provide name, DOB, and the last four of your Social Security number if required. If SSN is unavailable, use a U.S. company or family member to verify and accept transfers. Make sure they understand privacy and terms. Link and verify a U.S. debit or prepaid card by confirming microdeposits or temporary authorizations. Once linked, add funds with a card, bank transfer, or receive payments from other Apple Cash users to activate full sending and receiving capabilities. With Apple Cash active, send and receive money through messages or wallet. Be aware of limits, processing times, and potential holds on large amounts. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on your Apple ID to protect transactions, and regularly monitor activity for unfamiliar charges. If your Apple Cash option doesn't appear or transfers fail, recheck that your Apple ID region, linked card type, and identity verification all meet Apple's requirements. Contact Apple support or the card issuer if problems persist. Finally, remember terms of service and tax implications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.